The next revolution will be digitized. 4ART Technologies, blockchain technology for art.
So to initiate a transfer within a location, we are within the 4ARTapp passport, and down here in the navigation bar we go on transfer and then location change. Then we choose the new location. So in this case, let's say that the artwork is going to Zurich. And then we can choose between a self-organized change. So for example, we take the artwork in our car to the new location, or we can choose to have a third party, a logistics provider, do the transport for us. In this case, let's choose the self-organized change. It wants us to confirm the change of location. Wonderful, we do this. It's now in the passport. We complete the change of location, confirm once again, and then we can see the change within the track and trace record right over here that the artwork location has been changed to Zurich. Alternatively, if we go back out into the passport, let us do the location change using a third party. So again, we choose the location change. In this case, let's say that the artwork is going to Bern, and then we have a third-party service provider do the location change for us. We choose this option. Yes, we confirm. Now the change of location is initiated. Additionally, however, there is also a change of possession when it comes to the artwork. So in the overview now, we can hand over the artwork to the service provider. So for example, to the logistics provider. And then we push this here, and then we have to enter the user account of the logistics service provider who's also using the 4ARTapp, so we can initiate the change of possession. In this case, we won't do so. And all the information is then marked within the track and trace record. So we can cancel this. Yes, and we can see that this change of location using a third party has been canceled. So all the changes are kept within the track and trace record, which is a wonderful way of really tracking in high definition the exact history and the life of an art piece.